In this video, I'm going to show you how to copy base in Clash of Clans. Before we get started with the video, please don't forget to give this video a like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open the Clash of Clans application on your device. Click on this layout icon at the bottom right corner of your screen, and in here, go ahead and click on the specific base that you want to copy the layout of. So at the bottom of your screen, you'll be able to find this copy layout button. So click on the copy layout button and go ahead and select the other base where you want to paste that layout to. Make sure that you select the correct base with the layout that you want to copy before you click on the paste layout to the other base. After you have copied that base, you can go ahead and tweak the layout of that base furthermore on your other base to be able to personalize the layout of your base depending on your preference if there are any changes that you want to make on your base layout. You can add more objects on your base depending on your preference and remove some objects that you want to exclude on the layout. You can upgrade some of the things that you find on the layout and upgraded yet. That's how you can simply copy base in Clash of Clans.